Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 10 is consecutive integers. It says the sum of three consecutive integers is 63. Find the numbers. So consecutive means one right after the other, and if they're consecutive integers, that means they're all one apart. So my first number that I'm going to define a variable for is x, just like we've been doing. Now I need to write an expression for the second number and the third number. So the second number will be 1 away from that, which means I'm going to add 1. So that will be x plus 1. The third number will be 1 away from the second number, or x plus 1 plus another 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So that would be x plus 2. Now I'm going to write my equation. I want to find the sum of these. So the first integer is x, plus the second integer is x plus 1, plus the third integer is x plus 2. Here's my word is for my equal sign, and that has to total to 63. Now I'm going to solve my equation. I'll simplify the left side. X plus x is 3x plus 3 equals 63. And this just becomes a two-step. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 plus 3x is 3x. And 63 minus 3 is 60. Now I'll divide by 3 to make my coefficient equal to 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1x, and 60 divided by 3 is 20. So I know my first integer is 20. My second integer will be 20 plus 1, which is 21. And my third integer will be 20 plus 2, which is 22. So my first number is 20, my second integer is 21, and my third integer is 22. Now there's other ways to solve this particular type of problem, but it helps to be able to define all three of your variables, because as you'll see in the next two problems, sometimes the equation becomes more complicated. So I know my answers are 20, 21, and 22.